Tired of constantly deleting photos and videos to free up space on your iPhone? Today, we're showing you the easiest way to use that Apple gift card collecting dust in your drawer to upgrade your iCloud storage. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. On the account screen, find and tap on the Redeem Gift Card or Code option. Now, you have two choices. You can use your device's camera to scan the gift card, or you can enter the code manually if you choose the camera option. Position the gift card within the frame on your screen if you prefer to enter the code manually. Tap Enter Code manually at the top. Carefully type in the gift card code exactly as it appears on the card. Double-check to make sure you haven't made any typos. Once you've entered the code correctly, tap Redeem in the upper right-hand corner. You should see a confirmation message showing that the gift card has been successfully redeemed and the funds have been added to your Apple ID balance. Next, go to your Settings app and tap on your name at the very top. On the Apple ID screen, tap on iCloud. Now tap on Manage Storage. On this screen, tap on Change Storage Plan or Upgrade. You'll now see the various iCloud storage plans available. Your Apple ID balance will automatically be used to cover the cost of your chosen plan. Select the plan that suits your needs and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your upgrade. Congratulations! Enjoy your extra iCloud storage.